Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a milky bath tea bag. It's going to actually end up looking something like this. This is actually made with a gift bag, gauze gift bag, but if you haven't got one of those, if you've got a muslin square or even just a hanky or a napkin, it's fine. What I'm going to do is show you the dry ingredients first. So what I've got here is some oats, which I've ground a little bit because you want them to be a bit powdery to let the milkiness out of them. And then I've got actual dried powdered milk. If you haven't got that, it doesn't matter because the oats will make it milky as well. That's just dried milk powder. In here I've got coarse ground sea salt. You can use that, or you can use Epsom salts, or you can use bicarb as well. So they're all skin softening. So they're the dry ingredients. So you can make those in bulk and keep them in a jar. So that's your milk powder, oats, salt. And then if you wanted to scent your mix, you can add, I wouldn't add essential oils at this stage because you won't just end up with a horrible sticky goo, but you can add dried, these are lavender leaves. I haven't actually got any petals or flowers at the moment because they're not in flower, but the leaves smell, so just sprinkle some of those in there. You can use lavender. I've got some rosemary here. If you're going to use them, it's a good idea to bruise them first to let some of the oils out. Just give them a roll with a rolling pin and then break them off and add them to your mix, and then you can mix that up, seal it and leave it to store. Then when you're ready to make your bag, all you're going to do is add about 3 dessert spoons of your mix, and then here in this bowl I've got some sunflower oil and 8 drops of lavender oil added to that. What I'm going to do is take some cotton wool balls, soak them in the fragranced oil, pop them in there, and then you just make it into a nice neat little parcel and tie it up. And then all you do with that is when you're ready to run your bath, you just tie it over the hot tap and let the hot water run through the bag, and then you'll end up with a lovely scented milky bath. If you wanted to add an orangey scent, you can, with your plain oil, if you prick some orange peel like that, put it in the jar and leave it for a few days, and it'll smell of mandarin, smell of orange. Orange and rosemary are a nice mix, so again you could add that, infuse it for a little while and then drain it and use that to dip your cotton balls in. It'll smell lovely, and add it to your milk bath tea bag. Okay, that's it.